I'm going to talk about replacing a door bezel or door insert on a 94 to 2004 Mustang. These things are commonly pretty cheap, especially some of the aftermarket ones if you don't get a good quality one. And if you can see, like this door here where it's all loose and all that stuff. So the reason most of these fail is this clip here will break. So if that clip breaks, this thing's just going to flop around. So when you pull it off, you pretty much have to pull it off using a driver, but like a plastic door trim removal kit, and you pull it straight up. So because this one's already damaged, I'm replacing it. And what somebody did is they literally put Velcro on the door to hold the other one in. And the reason they use the Velcro is, well, you can see that they broke the tab off. So I'll put the part number in the link for a new bezel. The reason this one's red is this is a SVT Cobra. The bezel on this particular car, this Cobra, is the actual stock was red, which is kind of interesting on a yellow car. Mm-hmm. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and remove the controls on this and switch them over to the other car. It's fairly simple. There's 2 Phillips head screws, and you just simply unscrew them. And then the panel, the switch panel will come off. And then you got to remove this one as well. This for your mirrors. This, you have to remove this top clip first, and we'll see how brittle this one is. Sometimes when the car gets old, these things can get brittle. So what I do is just take 2 screwdrivers and pry it up and out. And there you go. Kind of messy, but it works. Just basically putting friction on these 2 clips here. Okay, to get this off here, the mirror controls, there's a tab here you push in, and there's 2 of them. You just push them in. All right, so someone had put a little bit of glue on this right there. So what happened is I had to pry this out a little bit, but it's fine overall. So I'm simply going to put the switch on this one. And it sticks fine because it hasn't been worn down, actually. The other one, that's what someone did, was glue it. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm simply going to pull this over like this on the door. By hand, just start the screws so they go in even. Just hand start them and then simply screw them in. Front one. And you don't hook the mirror controller back up till you're done screwing these, because it's just that line is tighter and it'll make screwing this back harder. Okay. And that should be, that's it. Hook the switch back up. It only goes on one way. Okay, that's back on. It's a good time to clean because someone obviously put some Velcro on this. I'm going to go ahead and remove that, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down and clean it before I put it back in on that back clip. So what you'll do is kind of get this into place without pushing it down, both of them, and then push them down at the same time. And now it's in. And if you look, the new one, it's not hanging out. It's tight down here. And it all has to do, and again, if you ever remove it, you would get you would pry up from here in here simultaneous and pull it out using a trim removal tool. Screwdriver, you can end up scratching this, but so that's how you install a new door bezel. And thanks for watching.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.